Have you ever stumbled onto buymayberry.com and wondered, is this place legit or am I about to get scammed? You're not alone. I took a deep dive into the site, so let's break it down in plain English. First off, buymayberry.com looks like your typical trendy online boutique. You've got the usual perks: 30-day returns, free shipping in the US, and 24/7 customer service. They accept PayPal and major credit cards, so your payments are encrypted and there's some protection if things go sideways. But here's where it gets interesting. The store's been around only briefly, and the backstory about being founded by three friends in their 40s is cute, but not exactly verifiable. There's not much of a track record outside of their own website, so I can't say they're a household name. I checked Trustpilot, and as of early 2026, they've racked up just 9 reviews. Some folks gave 5 stars, but others mentioned slow shipping, think weeks or even months, and automated, not-so-helpful customer support. That's common with newer, dropshipping style sites that fulfill orders internationally. So, if you're in a rush or need to chat with a real person, you might want to brace yourself. Here's my advice. If you're tempted by something cute, use PayPal at checkout. It's just easier if you need a refund. And before you order, double-check their size guide. Clothes from these sites often run smaller than what you might expect in the US or UK. Bottom line? Buymayberry.com isn't a confirmed scam, but it's not a sure bet either. Shop smart, protect your payment, and read those reviews before you hit buy. Stay savvy, fashion lovers. Subtitle: Is buymayberry.com legit?